Dancehall artist Kiprich, whose real name is Marlon Plunkett, was arrested and charged for using audio and audiovisual communication to promote criminal activity. His arrest stems from a song he recorded and shared on media platforms, in which he paid tribute to Othniel Thickman Laban, the reputed leader of the One Order gang, who was recently killed by police. In the song, Kiprich allegedly suggested retaliation, stating that police are dead because they killed Thickman. Some Jamaicans have questioned why he was arrested, arguing that ordinary people sing violent songs all the time without facing consequences. However, the key difference is that Kiprich not only performed the song, but also wrote the lyrics, which authorities believe incited violence against police officers. Under Jamaican law, promoting or encouraging violence against law enforcement is a criminal offense, which likely led to his arrest. Some people are suggesting Kiprich's arrest may have been politically motivated because he attended a recent PNP conference. However, this reasoning seems to ignore the fact that his arrest is tied to the content of the song, not his political affiliations. His lyrics incited violence, and that is the primary legal issue at hand, not his political presence. He is scheduled to appear in court later this month,